Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. In today's episode, we will be talking about my most favorite topic the past few weeks, the DJI Mini 2. Thanks for tuning in, guys. My name is Stephanie, and if you're new to my channel, just a bit of a recap. I love showing the Netherlands, my life here as a mom in a Dutch culture. I love sharing activities with me and my son Jens, as well as my husband JP. So if you look at this drone, guys, see how small it is. I want to give you a great comparison. Look at that. That's how small it is. So why am I talking about tech stuff? I am just a mom who probably doesn't have any clue. Well guys, we revolve in the same Filipino community, and I just want to share my thoughts and opinion about owning a drone. And if you want to pump up your content a little bit, I think it's a great investment for your channel. So back to the drone. What are the top 3 reasons why you should maybe get one? If you're just a mommy vlogger like me, number 1 reason, it weighs 249 grams, and that's on paper. But if you put it on a weighing scale, it actually weighs 237 grams. Now, why is the weight important? It is essential because with that weight, 249 grams, you don't need a license to fly it. Now, for additional information, I did however place the link on the description below in case you just came across my channel and you have a drone above 250 grams and you want to know where to get the license in Europe, as well as the link for the rules and regulations here in the Netherlands, the no-fly zone areas, plus the link to register your drone to RDW.nl. So that's rdw.nl. Yes, as of 2021, there is a new rule. Even if your drone weighs less than 250 grams, you still need to register it to rdw.nl. And why do I need to register my drone? And that is, you need to get an exploitant number. And what is that? Actually, it's just a fancy name to identify your drone that it belongs to you. You will log in with your DJI. So to people living in the Netherlands, you know what that means. You'll have to log in with all your information, and then that drone will be identified that it belongs to you. And then you'll have to pay 23 euros for 1 year. Number 2 reason, guys, is that this drone is really great for beginners like myself. If you have zero drone experience, like nada, it has automated quick shots that does the work for you. And what is quick shots? Well, it simply means that you just click a button and the drone does the work for you. And I want to make an example. When I first got this drone in November, so I went to Utrecht for my first flight in Kasteel de Haar. That there were no people there. It was just trees around you, and I had literally no clue of what I was doing. I just clicked take off, the drone took off, and then click quick shot, the drone took some shots of the castle. I clicked return to home and the drone landed on itself. I cycled back to the train station and took the train back to the house. Number 3 reasons, guys, I think one of the most important aspect of this drone is that it shoots 4K. Now, if you're new to the tech world, you're a mommy vlogger, and you ask what is 4K, well, it simply means that you will get better resolution, better quality for your videos. And that is very important, guys, because you don't want to shoot videos of this very tiny thing and then get mediocre videos. No, you want to get the best possible resolution there is. And so guys, those are the top 3 reasons why you should probably purchase this drone. And maybe you will ask me, Steph, why do I need that inconvenience in my life? I have to register my drone, I have to pay 23 euros, I have to give all my information that drone belongs to me. Why? Being a YouTube creator, this is just my hobby. Well, like I said in the beginning guys, this is a long-term investment. And if you're serious about your channel, if you want to spice it up a little bit, and if you can, why not? And registering your drone simply means being responsible and just following the rules. I guess on any given subject, if everybody just does what they want to do without rules, the world will be in chaos. Anyhow guys, I hope you learned a thing or two with this video, and I hope I've enlightened and given you some important insights. If you would love to know more about the DJI Mini 2, I'm sure after watching this video, YouTube will bombard you with a lot of content regarding the DJI Mini 2 drone. One of my favorite YouTuber who talks about their experience with this drone is Jevendovi. He has a complete guide for beginners. If you want to check that out, I think it's very, very helpful. Filip Skraba, he's a Polish YouTuber. He has these most amazing epic shots in Switzerland with a DJI Mini 2. You might want to check that out. And there's also this creator named Ken Heron. He's an old geezard, but he's such a joy. He has a sense of humor, and I love his drone tests of the DJI Mini 2. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next vlog.